Erica that was making the mistake? No, she good. I got 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lied. that wasn't the right with it. I lied, right?
That was it.
Yeah, I lied.
No, that was it. That was it.
That was it. So let me do the other side. I'm not going to. Let me just change cards. Misha, come here. Yeah. No, Budur. Yeah. Let me get my rubber. Yeah. That guy wasn't convinced, you know. Don't drive in the snow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So that's the movement that you're gonna do. Now, let's add with the move that you were supposed to be doing today. 5, 6, 7, go. Ginga, toma, we'll do it. Okay, toma, one more time. That one, yeah. You do this one, but go low to catch the leg and then you continue with that one. Go low to catch the leg and then you continue with that one. Go low to catch the leg and then you continue with that one, alright? So now, continue the video. Let's go, everybody. Formation. Let's go. 5, yeah? That's okay, just got a partner. That's it, 5, 6, 5. Let's do it with the music. Get that, then I'm gonna switch. Don't worry about that. 5. Young Rico, get the phone. Yeah, get the phone.
My phone?
Get that. After, just put the phone on. We're gonna do drum and girl, yeah? 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. Come on, love. Yeah. Marcus, we saw you.
Yes.
Okay. Oliver. With some Marcus. Take those small hands. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. Toma. Last one. Jinga. Five, six, 7, go. 1. Yeah. They trying. Sweet. Okay. Why only Erica and Greg is switching? Yeah. Why? It's because of Misha. See? All right, last one. All right, Atan. He said he have a girlfriend. All right, 5. And she, again. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. 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 Ah, Andrew did it. All right. All right. Sweet. I'm gonna tell his girlfriend. Again. Bye. Bye again. Bye. Bye. 6, 5, 6, 7, go. I'm gonna tell his girlfriend. Again. Bye. Did you say you're singing? Oliver, do that to your girl. 5, 6, 7. Go get that. What you laughing at? Either laughing on Marcus, even Dior. Yeah. I told him. To see if she's gonna be accepted in the film. Freestyle! Hey guys, get out. Get like hello. Click on it. Oh. Alright. Ooh, Django Fever. Mosquito Bay. Ooh, Haiti Cherie. La guy. And the girlfriend owner. All right, yeah.